All right, hey everybody, it's Albert from TonalEnergy, and this is a TonalEnergy update, the 2.0 update feature profile. So we're going to go ahead and talk for a quick second about a new feature inside of TonalEnergy, give you a quick rundown of it so that you can quickly get to playing with it and figure out how to use it in your own practice. So we're going to go ahead and go into the Metronome because the feature we're going to talk about is the Use Drone feature in the preset groups. So we're going to go into the Metronome and we're going to go over here to the left, right there in the middle, to the preset group button. We'll go to all preset groups and we're going to go down here to the plus button. So we just made a brand new group. You can rename it if you want. Use Drone Fun. How about that? And now we have a preset group here, and we're going to scroll down a little bit. And if you're using an iDevice or a handheld device that's not tablet size, you'll end up seeing a couple of more windows. You would have had to have had tapped the little I right here on the preset group to get to this right screen. But we scroll down, use drone, a small keyboard, and a slider pops up. You can choose to have a drone or sound play for an entire preset group, or you could have it play for a specific amount of time. Right now it's set to play for 1 count. But let's go ahead and turn this on, and we're going to sustain a C for the entire measure of 4/4. So we can go ahead and close this out. I'm going to hit the X up here. You could also run it from down here. And I'm going to come here and turn on Auto Advance. And you're also going to want to make sure that this green button over here is on. That's what's going to allow the drones to play. And you can even see right underneath there, there's a C at the bottom of the box because that's the note that's going to play. Here we go. Let's go ahead and try it out. So there you have it, an easy way to add drones into a metronome. Now, can you get super excited and go through and program all kinds of things? Yes. Or could you just turn on rolling drones to play through a key exercise as you're going through your normal warm-up pattern? Yes, there's lots of cool ideas. If you have any cool ideas, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to know how you are using TonalEnergy to get better at what you do. So remember, as always, remember to like, follow, and subscribe to all of our social media. And until next time, stay smiley.